Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to make a sticker out of writing in Goodnotes 5. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to keep a certain sticker, like for example, if you make a dashed line, maybe you'd like to store that as a sticker so that you don't have to keep doing that and just can use the sticker over and over. So I'll be showing you how to make a sticker from handwriting in Goodnotes 5. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to make a little drawing. That's it. And now you're going to click on the lasso tool and go around whatever it is that you want to create a sticker of and tap on that. And then you're going to tap on add element and you can basically add it to a collection, any collection of yours. You can create a new collection there. And yeah, that's basically it. So once you've clicked that, that's added. And then if you go to this little star tab here and tap on that, then as you can see, the sticker is there and you can use it again. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to convert handwriting into a sticker in Goodnotes 5, this is the easiest way. I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.